guys, welcome back to Dolphinzz kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing cheesy chicken bread rolls. Here are the ingredients. Right, we have our white bread there and 3 large onions chopped and our cheddar cheese and our ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, our chili pepper, and we have our mixed spice there. This is different herbs mixed together, and that's our black pepper, red and black pepper, and our minced chicken here. Right, we add our 2 tablespoons oil in our hot pan to fry our minced chicken. We're going to be frying it for about 20 minutes because we want it well cooked. Then we add in our ginger and garlic so we can fry it together for the flavor. In goes our chili peppers, hot and spicy, and our blend of spice. That includes salt anyway, and that's our black pepper. And we mix it all in properly. Make sure it incorporates very well. So each bite you can taste the spice. And goes well. I tasted it and I think it needed a little bit of salt. So I decided to add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Mix it in properly. Right, after 20 minutes, in goes our chopped onions. We'll mix it in properly. At this stage the chicken is well cooked, so we just mix the onions in and let it fry for also about 5 minutes before we add in our other ingredients. Right, here we're gonna be adding our cheese, our cheddar cheese, and that will go on for about 3 minutes, and that's it really for this one. And we turn the fire off and set it aside. Right, we take our flour and we're going to be adding about 4 or 5 tablespoons of water, and we'll mix it into a paste. That's what we'll be using to seal the edges of our bread. Right, and at this point we'll take a slice of the bread and cut all the crust off the bread before we start rolling it flat. Right, there we are, rolling the bread flat. And we will seal the edging with our paste, our flour paste. And we'll make sure it gets to all the corners so it doesn't open when we're frying it. And you can and there we are, our filling. You can take a tablespoon or any amount that you want, but don't overfill it, otherwise it'll be difficult for you to seal it. And we fold it over. I have two ways of folding, doing this, our bread rolls. We have it this way, or I'll show you the other way I do it as well. You can roll it or have it this way. Right, this is the other way I was talking to you about earlier. You can roll it, and instead of folding it, you roll it, and then you seal it properly, making sure all the edging are well sealed. Otherwise you end up losing all your filling in the oil. So that's it. Right, it's time to fry our rolls in our hot oil. We fry it till it gets to golden brown. You don't want it to burn. It's time to flip them over, making sure the other side too is nice and golden. Right, my babies are looking nice and golden. It's time to take them out. So I'm putting them on a kitchen paper to get all the excess oil, and that will be it, guys. There we are. Our rolls are ready, looking delicious. You can serve them with any dip you want. Hope you enjoyed watching, guys, and I shall see you in my next video.